All right, guys, I'm going to try to make this real short and sweet. I have had a couple of questions about our lawyers that are representing us in our court case that we're involved in. Well, I'm in a court case that I'm involved in where I'm getting sued for shooting on my own property in Blount County, Tennessee. Now, we have a court date. In case y'all haven't heard, the court date is December 12th. I think that's the next on the agenda, and I think that's the big thing. But anyway, our lawyers that are representing us are from U.S. Law Shield. Okay, so U.S. Law Shield is different from a lot of other companies, where a lot of other companies are carry insurance, which basically means if you use a weapon, most cases it has to be a firearm. If you use a firearm in self-defense, that carry insurance picks up and covers you. And the way that I've seen it is that it covers you for a certain amount of money for a certain amount of money. So basically you pay $20 a month and you get a certain amount of coverage. You pay $40 a month, you get a certain amount of coverage. Whatever the top out is what it is. U.S. Law Shield is completely different. U.S. Law Shield is not carry insurance. They are lawyers. So you basically have a lawyer on retainer 100% of the time, 24/7, whenever you call, and they cover you an unlimited amount of money for one price. Unlimited amount of money. I can't stress that enough. U.S. Law Shield covers you in criminal and civil court, which is not done by everybody, but U.S. Law Shield covers you unlimited amount of money for criminal and civil court. Mine is not criminal, mine is civil court, so that's why they're covering it. Anyway, mine is not a self-defense situation either, but they do see the value in it being a self-defense, not a Second Amendment issue, and so that's why they picked it up and wanted to be on it and wanted to cover it. Now, I had U.S. Law Shield before I was a YouTuber, and I was a member then, and I'm glad I was a member then. I'm glad that they're my sponsors now, and I'm glad that they're representing me now, because who can actually tell you, out of all the YouTubers that promote other companies, what YouTuber can come on here and say, use this company because I've had to use them before. I know how they work. I know what they say and what they can produce. I can say that. I'm using U.S. Law Shield. I was a member. They're my sponsor now, but I am using U.S. Law Shield. I can tell you that they're doing what they said. We've been going at this for 3 years. We've been going at this whole court situation for 3 years. Guys, I can't recommend U.S. Law Shield enough. They are not carry insurance. They are lawyers. You're paying a retainer, which is like I said before, the monthly amount that you pay is $10.95 a month for coverage in your state. Then I think, if it hasn't changed, more than likely it hasn't, $13.95 a month for all 50 states coverage for $13.95 a month for an unlimited amount of money for a civil and criminal court. I mean, I can't stress that enough, guys. So if you want to check U.S. Law Shield out, I've had a lot of people that buy them based on our recommendations. Like I said, this has been going on for 3 years. It's civil court, been going on for 3 years, and they have been doing it 100%, and they have done what they said they were going to do, and I can't think of enough. So that's the questions I had. Basically, what's the difference between U.S. Law Shield and other things? This is the difference, man. They stand by their word. They cover you unlimited amount of money for criminal and civil court, and it's cheap. If you use our promo code BDGG or click the link in the description, you get 14 months for the price of 12, which is also a great deal. So, guys, I can't recommend them enough. That was trying to answer some questions that I had some people ask me in a couple of the different videos we did about the court case. So, if you would like to help us, you can go to U.S. Law Shield, use BDGG as a promo code. Also, you can go to Ballistic Ink and buy some merch. That would be great for it too. You can also go to North Coast Tactical and get the Tuck holster. That helps out the channel as well. Guys, I can't thank you enough for watching. I really appreciate it. And I know we've been slacking on videos, but you know, we've had a bunch of life happen right now, and we're trying to get back out at it and do it. And we're trying. Okay, we're definitely trying. And the podcast and stuff is out there too, so you can go to 76 Tuesday and watch it, listen to it on all podcast platforms and everything. Really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Until we see you in the next one, like I said, I was going to try to keep this short and sweet, so 5 minutes is about as short as I can do, because I like to talk. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. More to come, and I'll see you next time.